rogues of all time.
Creators of a grand design.
I'll be the king.
I'll be the queen. I'll be the joker of crime.
Oh, Waspinator. Star now.
Make it double.
To protect the world from devastation.
To unite all peoples within our nation.
To denounce the evils of truth and love.
To extend our reach to the stars above.
Jesse.
Change.
Team Rocket, blossom at the speed of light.
Surrender now or prepare to fight.
That's right. Team Rocket's rocket.
Trouble, walking trouble, double trouble, big trouble's gonna follow.
Team Rocket's rocket.
Talking trouble, walking trouble, double trouble, big trouble's gonna follow. We're gonna capture Pikachu. Make it double. Make it double. We're Team Rocket and we fight for what's wrong. For mayhem and madness and rare Pokemon.
I'm so gorgeous.
I'm always the man.
You're just the players in my master plan.
Team Rocket's rocket, talking trouble, walking trouble, double trouble, big trouble's gonna follow. Team Rocket's rocket, talking trouble, walking trouble, double trouble, big trouble's gonna follow you. We're gonna capture Pikachu. We're always gonna try it. No one can deny it. We can cause a riot and someday we'll riot. We have you believing. Truth can be deceiving.
To one to others is all a golden rule.
All right.
This is our most ingenious plan ever. If I do
All
say so
right.
myself.
Even we couldn't screw this one up.
Here's his long neck.
Boy, you two stop yapping. Here they come.
Did you guys hear that voice in the back? Yeah. That was Waspinator's voice. Waspinator is one of the Predacons in the Beast Wars series. And, well, he first made his appearance in Beast Wars, then he came back on Transformers Animated. He started out as, well, Fugitive Wasp when he was on the run against the Elite Guard after a crime he didn't commit. Even though he was all the other cons thought he was a Decepticon spy. But, turns out it was Shockwave who was the spy, not him. And, well, Bumblebee thought it was Wasp after all that conflictive punishments that Bumblebee endured because he was tortured by him during his time at the Elite Guard battle camp. And, well, also because Wasp was the one that he wasn't the only one in the garage. Longarm helped him capture Wasp. Eventually, Wasp managed to escape. He was abducted by Black Arachnia. And, well, Black Arachnia experimented on him and transformed him into Waspinator. That was really... I never expected it. I never realized that a Decepticon would become a half insect. Anyways, he also mentioned that he had plans that involve revenge. Also, being in that form, it caused him to overload, and it looks like they were sent to Africa. Basically, well, I did have a Waspinator action figure when I was a kid. Good times. And, well, after that, and, well, after that whole appearance, he reappeared on Transformers Animated Season 4. Well, Waspinator's been a huge favorite in the Transformers Beast Wars series. And, well, basically, I'll bet he'll reappear on Transformers, Transformers War for Cybertron. That was a... War for Cybertron is a new hit, and I don't know when we're gonna see them again. And... well, sincerely, since Waspinator's one of the, newest Decepticons, I never forget all the entertaining stuff that I saw about him. Anyhow, you saw me draw Waspinator's upper half. You saw me draw one of his claws. Now we draw the rest. Now let's draw the rest of him, shall we? Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
This is the boss, and I'm sick of waiting. I want Pikachu, and this time don't screw it up.
Eventually, being in the stockade, it drove Wasp insane. Crazy.
Creators of a grand
Eventually, he started acting like an actual insect.
I'll be the queen. I'll be the joker of crime. Prepare for trouble.
Make it double.
To protect the world from
To
devastation.
unite all peoples within our nation.
To denounce the evils of truth and love.
To extend our reach to the stars above.
Jesse.
Change.
Team Rocket, blossom with the speed of light.
Surrender now or prepare to fight.
That's right.
Team Rocket's rocket. Talking trouble, walking trouble, double trouble, big trouble's gonna follow. Team Rocket's rocket. Talking trouble.
Waspinator has green stripes. Green and black ones, actually.
We're gonna capture Pikachu.
Prepare for trouble.
Make it double. We're Team Rocket and we fight for what's wrong. For mayhem and madness and rare Pokemon.
I'm so gorgeous.
I'm always the man.
You're just the players in my master plan.
Team Rocket's rocket, talking trouble, walking trouble, double trouble, big trouble's gonna follow.
Those were his legs. Now for his... Alexa, what is a green wasp?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, the Asian giant hornet, including the color form referred to as the Japanese giant hornet, is the world's largest hornet. It is native to temperate and tropical East Asia, South Asia, mainland Southeast Asia, and parts of the Russian Far East. Did that answer your question?
Yes.
Thanks for your feedback.
Say so myself.
Now we draw
Screw this one.
the stinger.
Would you two stop yapping? Here they come.
Prepare for trouble. Team Rocket's rockin', talking trouble, talking trouble. Big trouble's gonna follow. Team Rocket's rockin', talking trouble, talking trouble. Big trouble got to be.
Lastly, we draw the wings on his back.
Walking trouble. Walking trouble.
Big trouble. Team Rocket's bursting up again.
There he is. And finished. That's how you draw a Waspinator. Waspinator look great! And anyways, of course, that wasn't the only form of Waspinator that I drew. I mean, I'm gonna draw the Beast Wars edition of him as well. Anyhow, I better sign off. I've got more coming on the way, and stay tuned for more master designs. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. Waspinator out! Waspinator star!